Coffin Stone. Had a previous video, and that's P Lane. Goes around the corner to the P factory. Well, it used to. Say hello to the yew tree. Hello, you. What about me? I don't want to go.
Around, I know.
Nettles.
That's it.
Poor Rico. See, we used to go that way.
They're not allowed to do that. They're not allowed to do that.
Well, they've done it. Because that's the way we wanted to go. World's End Lane again. Past the piggies. We'll have to go all the way round. Here we are again. World's End Lane.
I think Nine would have been very disappointed in me for that one.
Squirrel. Look, lords and ladies. Here we are. So look at the piggies. Oh, they got bigger. You see them? Hello, little piggies. Hello, little piggies. You're not scared, are you? You're definitely bigger. Hello. Hello. I love that they're outside.
Aren't they cute?
We were right over there, weren't we?
They can't see.
I just love the noise they make.
Yeah, when they're digging in the mud. They're like dogs, aren't they?
This is actually ancient graveyard.
The horses like it.
That's the lonely tree I can see from the house.
Which one?
The one on
One
the
on
top
the hill?
there, yeah. It's the only sort of hill round here, really, isn't it? A hill, really. Got a good view. Boy, Rico. The chickens aren't here at the moment because of lockdown. This used to be full of wildflowers and everything, didn't it? No fences. Apple trees by the look of it. Orchard.
They've got a lot of horses. Don't they keep doing other people's horses for them?
I think so.
Yeah.
Livery, is it?
Library, yeah.
Because they're polo ponies, aren't they? Going to be here much longer. They're using it. As I said before, they scraped this all off the polo field up here, which has got about 5 ring ditches, Bronze Age, Iron Age, barrows. Track went up there as well. You hear skylarks. more here. Up to the lonely tree. Three houses, Whitmore houses, and they had long gardens. Now we've got a shed. The oak's out before the ash. We'll have a splash.
Very warm weather next week.
Who lives there? Rico? You give a knock knock?
Rabbit.
It's a big rabbit. Jack by the hedge, garlic mustard. Over the hill. It's dark. The original path. It is a spooky place because that's Ash Coppice there. And a Mr. Cooper from Little Ness was walking to Baschurch up here, and he was fed up of his disabled son. So he borrowed a spade from probably Whitmore cottagers and did him in right there in the 1800s and buried him.
How old is he?
I don't know, 10. But he was found out because, you know, where we would hire a spade and then the little lad wouldn't be seen anymore. Ooh, horrible, isn't it? Likely tump.
Dandelions are called sun, sunflowers, and moon. So it looks like the full
Makes
moon.
sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, the sun and the full moon.
And they're very nutritious. The chickens love them.
I learned that from someone on a sailboat.
Oh yeah. We're going down to the river, aren't we? The River Derry.
Hello!
Hmm?
You're a very small cow.
Come back here, you.
Sorry, Dad, I'm doing what he loves.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Big drop for the style. Whew. Apparently they said it was very muddy.
Can we get through there?
Yeah. Oh, look at that, left a poo bag. Why do they leave two?
It's not poo.
Oh.
It's a Starbucks cup. Who the hell would do that? They aren't right in the head, are they?
Idiots.
They've got no idea. This is Londoners here, you see. Can you pick that up for me?
Yeah. The poo bag police. A shepherd's purse. Could be. Shepherd's smock. I don't know. Can't remember what it's called really. Bit squelchy, but not too bad. Lady's smock, that's what it's called.
That's all shit.
I believe it's a wild croc.
A wild croc. I wonder where they were made.
Yeah.
Ugly things they are.
Oh, it's been there a while.
Bloody hell. How would you lose that?
It's a crocodile. I've got to be hopping all the way over here. Spawn Rico? Well, yeah, this is the spring we're after. And he's up there. I don't know if it's in that clump of trees, or that looks as though it's capped.
There's the bridge. Yeah, that's
Oh yeah,
the bridge.
that's the bridge. That's okay. We're in the right place. You reckon that ease, as in ease well, which is this here,
Ease your elements, yeah?
ease your elements, and it's the opposite of dis-ease.
Well, they did say,
Oh, here it is. It's running.
watching my doctor's, the one I like to watch, and she said that number one cause of disease is not viruses, it is bad weather.
Well, Rico definitely likes it. Oh, we've got a trough as well.
That's good, isn't it?
Wow. Is that,
No.
looks like it though, doesn't it?
It does.
What's it called?
Watercress.
Watercress is the word.
It's not there. Unless it's a different variety, but it's not the one I recognise.
Well, I was reading that around about 1850 they used to come down at Easter, and this little stream would be going down. What they used to do was put a sugar lump in, and the kids would chase it down before it melted. I thought that's really cute. My foot is getting wet. Found it! Oh, brilliant. I've seen those concrete things before, but not actually been... It looks as though it's actually circular. You see, it's actually a well there, isn't there? They've made a well over the spring. Oh, wonderful. Found it.
I'm definitely going to have to come back with the water just to
Yep.
see how clean it is.
Oh, lovely. That's an old trough. It must have just gone down a step
Someone cared about it. at
to
some
that
point.
one. That looks like one of those stones that they used to put
I'm sure
vinegar in.
it's flowing out quite well because we've got such a high water table at the moment.
Well, we've had a bit of rain. Makes you wonder what was going on here. Anyway, we've got a helicopter. Yeah, that's definitely the one that looks like watercress, but isn't watercress. Mind you, that could be watercress.
No. It's definitely more green. It's got a brighter colour to it.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It's not variegated and it's not thick. Well, I don't know actually. Take a
But it's
picture.
not.
Google lens it when we get over.
Yeah, it's not.
Stop it now.
He thinks it's nice.
You don't know what you're eating, so stop it.
It's yummy.
Don't mind
Yummy
you drinking
water.
it. Okay.
Go on then. You do
There's
it.
popcorn in it now. That is the dead part.
They're probably here somewhere. Froggies. They would have tapped the spring and then laid pipes to the village, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Mind you, what's the point? Because the river's right there.
Well, they'd be better off in the spring and never do it.
That's true. Ah, pleased I found that. Brilliant. Probably some sort of settlement here. Likely be. Yeah. Some mushrooms. Wow. It's St George's Day. I was hoping to find some St George's mushrooms, but they might be down there actually. Just see where it goes in. Old coppice. That's not really flowing. Not that you can see. I tell a lie. There it is over there. That's a bit soggy. This is the River Perry. Southern black bracket. What's this? Cherry. And some bluebells. Perfect. Somebody very kindly has created a bridge. Rico! You're not going in the water, Rico.
Rico, no. No. You can't get out of there.
Come on, Rico.
Too deep. The banks are too high and I have to drag you out and I'm not doing that. No. Come on. We're not going over the bridge, are we?
Beautiful. This time we're going to turn round because we don't want to walk along the road with the doggy. It's very narrow pavement. Well, it's longer than a mile. I think they're sending us around the Wrekin a bit. 8,000 steps, and we've only just started back. Some comfrey. Humphrey the comfrey. Tired doggy. How you feel? Mare's tail. Horsetail, mare's tail, whichever one it is.
That one's the one that's good for hair.
I can't know what it's good for.
Silicate in it. Good
It
for hair.
is, yeah.
The wart one.
Yeah. It's not wormwood, it's the other one. Silver underneath, that one.
No, don't eat that.
There, chicks. Have some chickweed. And some dandelions. And girls. Yay.